Hi everybody, Ramona here on another beautiful Sunshine Coast morning. We were up really early this morning before the sun was, and we came out to West Seashell to catch a sunrise. I haven't done that in a very long time, and I caught it and it was beautiful. I've got some images of that I'll share with you in just a minute, but before I do, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I have so much fun making these videos, and I really love reading the comments that you leave for me. I can't speak this morning, I haven't had enough coffee. In any case, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really mean it. This one is my favorite from this morning, straight out of camera and no adjustments. Well, I hope you enjoyed those images as much as I enjoyed taking them. One problem that I have with my little camera, I shoot with a little Sony a6000. I probably should upgrade that at some point, but to tell you the truth, I really enjoyed that little camera. But the only issue I really seem to have with it is that it doesn't seem to shoot really well in low light situations, no matter how I set it. If anybody here shoots with a Sony a6000, you've encountered that problem and you have some tips for me, please share them down below. Other than that, I love that little camera, so it might be a little bit grainy in the images that I share with you today, and I hope you can see past that to the beauty of the area, because that's really what matters here. In any case, thank you for letting me rattle on. Our plan today. So today's plan is to go out to Skookumchuck Narrows. Now, months ago, I did another video out in Skookumchuck Narrows, and I promised you a 3-part to that video. And today's going to be the second part. So what we're going to do is we're going to head out there. A giant ebb tide. What I had talked about was the whirlpools that get created in these giant ebb tides. I'm going to try and capture those images today. I expect that this is going to be fairly challenging for me, so I will share as much as I can as we go along. And well, that ebb tide is at 11:45. We do have quite a bit of time between now and then, but who knows what adventures we'll get into along the way, right? So I'll either see you there or I'll see you before we get there. Okay, let's go.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long, yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah, I got my problems, lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for some.
If you go out in the woods today, you better not go alone. If you go out in the woods today, it's better you stay at home. Da 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 da. Today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. I hope they don't have me for lunch. I hope they don't have me for lunch. They don't have me for lunch. Da 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 da. There. Now that should scare away any bears in the area. I'm only saying because I saw a little bit of bear scat up the trail a bit. Well, here we are at the split in the road. So one way and the other way. And here is the little sign that says to North Point, to Roland Point, and to the toilets. Well, I'm headed to North Point because that's the best vantage point to photograph the whirlpools from. But before I go there, I'm going to the right. Excuse me. Hey, well, it's almost 10 and we have made it to North Point in plenty of time to get some images of those whirlpools. Right now, the inlet is going through with a lot of power, to tell you the truth. So I'm just going to turn this around and show you guys what we came here for. Hopefully getting here early is going to pay off. I've already got a shot in frame that I really like, so hopefully you can see that there. Hello, you can see my reflection. And I don't think you can see that very well. So let's just move up and I'll bring you into the shot that I want here. So you can see here that there is a little lighthouse and there's a nice whirlpool there and there's some water cascading off of these rocks. My challenge in this is going to be exposure. I've got an ND filter on and I'm going to try working with the circular polarizer as well. So we'll just try a few things, and you know what? If it doesn't work out today, we can always come back another day. But I'm so excited, I think it's going to work. Okay guys, a little time has passed and there's been a little bit of a change in the water. Let's just show you what's going on here. So there's the spot that I wanted, but look what's happening over here. You can see this fabulous whirlpool starting. So I'm gonna try shooting that one on its own. There's a little water. Do you see why I was so excited to come here? This is just absolutely amazing. Oh, British Columbia, Canada, you are made of phenomenal beauty. Wow. Just wow. I've just got to share this with you guys. Sometimes you need to step away from the camera and just enjoy the moment. These whirlpools are just building power as we go. Try and get you a good view of that. Up. Wow. We sure have had our challenges today, from working in low light to working in bright light. The biggest challenge, though, is probably trying to get a good image as the crowds gather. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. little channels like mine need all the help we can get. Thank you. Hi everybody, that was super fun. So now we've got a choice to make. We can A, go down to Garden Bay Lake and maybe take out the oven and make a coffee and a little bite to eat. Or we can B, head back to Egmont and go to the back eddy and have a little beverage and some lunch. I'm voting back eddy. See you there.